This is bothering me. The food, I'm not, you know what, guys? I'm not even gonna eat any more food until this goes away. I stop eating. No more video, no more food until this goes. What's up? What's up? This is Rico. Don't forget to show me some love. Hit the like, share, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Yeah. It's Rico. What's up, my family? What's up, guys? How are you doing today? It's raining right here all across the Toronto, Canada area. And I'm not complaining because I'd rather have rain than snow. Let me know in the comments below if you rather rain or snow. So today we're gonna have Jamaican oxtail. See that? It's Jamaican oxtail, and we're gonna have some fried plantain, some rice and peas, and some raw veggies like carrots, cucumbers, tomatoes, and lettuce. So let's go. All right. You take the very first bite right there. That's oxtail. And for those of you who don't know what oxtail is, the name is pretty much self-explanatory. It's the tail of the ox or of a cow. All right, so it's one of the Jamaican traditional dishes, oxtail and rice and peas. Or you could have the oxtail, usually it's cooked down with broad beans, like butter beans or broad beans, in a nice stew. And the gravy is usually of the brown color. It's very good. Some fried plantains for you. Fresh off the stove. And this delicious Jamaican food is coming to you from the Linstead Market. You know, I've been there many times when I want to get my Jamaican food fix on. Take a bite. Cucumbers. Tomatoes. Some more cucumbers for you. I know you like fresh veggies. So crunchy. So guys, I have a little issue. Look at this. That's a huge volcano on my face. It's huge, man. Look at the size of this thing. I wasn't gonna do any videos when I saw this. You know what, guys? That's it. I'm not gonna do any video today. This is bothering me. The food, I'm not, you know what, guys? I'm not even gonna eat any more food until this goes away. I stop eating. No more video, no more food until this goes. Are you kidding me? Video has to go on. So I'm conscious about it, but you know, focus right here. Focus on the food. Right there. Nice and juicy. There's usually a lot of bones in the oxtail, though. It's something that the bones are pretty large. See that? And this one has been cut. I think they cut this into 2 or 3, whatever. As the size of the oxtail is the circumference is much bigger. As you can see, that has been cut down the center. But Some huge bones, but the skin, the flesh is to die for. It's so succulent, so delicious. Usually a dish like this can take quite a while to cook. I got a question for you. How many different ways? So this applies to those of you who have eaten oxtail before. How many different ways have you had oxtail? Because most of the time we just have it like this. Traditionally we have it like this, and it's cooked down with the beans, and the stew is so brown, right? Just a brown color gravy. But 3 ways for me, 3 different ways how I have had oxtail. Let me know in the comments below how many different ways you have prepared oxtail. All right, take a bite of that. That's a smaller bone. This one is closer to the tip, maybe to the tip of the tail. Yeah, much smaller. So I'm just gonna run through this meal as quick as I can. I don't really want to make a long drawn out video. Yeah. Last piece of fried plantain. Come and get it. Oh yeah, looks so good. And sweet too. Rice and peas. So it's raining like crazy right now across the greater Toronto area, the entire Toronto area. And it's the middle of spring. What do you expect? You know, some people are complaining about the rain. But here's a question. Would you rather snow or rain? Let me know in the comments below. Which would you rather, snow or rain? For me, no doubt it's rain. It's just, if you grew up in the tropics, whether in the Caribbean, Central America, South America, Asian countries, you'll know that there's something so therapeutic about the rainfall. When the rain is falling down on top of your car, if you turn off the engine, turn off the music, turn off everything, and just listen to that rain as it drops on the car, it's very therapeutic. Also, the houses in the Caribbean, they're like zinc roof, most of them, and when the rain falls on it, there's just like, it's like sweet music, man. It's like music to the air, you know? It's just something, like I said, I grew up on it, and it's very therapeutic. As long as it's not like a hurricane. It gets so tender when you're cooking it, the meat just fall off the bones. But here you have it, like this. See that brown portion? That's the meat. And then I gotta suck that meat out ever so carefully. See that? That's all meat. So your seasoning, your herbs, thyme. In Jamaica we say thyme, not to confuse with time like the watch, but brings out the flavors and all the variety of herbs and spices and salt and pepper. It just give it that punch, flavorful, nice, succulent taste. That's why when you have this bone, that's why we suck on it, because there's lots of juices inside the bones. But that's what the oxtail looks like for those of you who don't know. Absolutely. I'm using my hands because it make more sense right now holding the bone with my hands. Do you guys remember this ginger beer from the last video when I did the Jamaican snacks? So here it is. I'm gonna drink it now because that day I had too much stuff, so I leave back the ginger beer. I couldn't mix this with the supple gen. Take a drink. That's your ginger beer. Not beer as in alcoholic. It's a carbonated beverage, but it's strong ginger drink, right? And this one is real strong. Whatever this brand, Old Jamaica, this brand it's very strong. Like, it's burning me right now. This one is definitely fire. Pure fire, guys. Pure fire. Hot. Yeah, this one is burning. Woo. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, stay true and stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Subscribe. Yeah, man. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So good, guys. Mm.